Hello everyone, this is Riddhi Tavde from Gossipfunda. Our today's video is about how to bring back the back button in Android. There are a few troubleshooting steps with the help of which we can resolve this error. This may happen due to some setting errors or due to a software glitch, but do not worry. We will find out the solutions in this short video. Solution number 1. Let us look at the first solution, that is, change your device settings. For this, you need to scroll down the navigation bar and click on the settings gear. Now you have to go to the settings application and search for gestures. In this, there is a system navigation option. Now you can see that there are two ways, buttons and gestures. When you click on buttons, you get which all types of buttons that can be appeared. So by using this, you can have your back menu button shown on your screen. That is, we have to change the setting from the gesture to normal button setting. Solution number 2 is to restart your phone. This is the most easiest and simplest way to solve any software glitches. Restarting your phone is the best option. For this, you need to long press on your side or the power button and then you need to drag it off to restart. So, by doing this step, we can solve the error of getting back the back button. Solution number 3 is to update your phone. For this, you need to again go to your settings application. This can be done by going to the apps menu or you can just simply do it from the navigation bar. After going to the settings, we have to go down to about the device. Over here there are all the updates available. Now if there is any update available, you need to install the update and make sure that your mobile is running on the latest version of the update. This would solve any software bugs and make sure that your phone is functioning properly. Thank you. Hope that the video has enlightened you with some cool tips and tricks. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel Gossip Funda.